Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is the afternoon look at the scans for the ETFs. This is going to be for this coming session. This is going to be for Monday, March 18th, 2013. Right now in the majors we don't really have any signals per se, and that's actually probably should be fairly well expected since this is option expiration Friday. One thing I will point out though is we do have a lot of volume in the diamonds. We're kind of a range high in the move in the Dow. We do have an active seeker exhaustion count in place on the Dow, so we definitely want to be prepared for some kind of downward movement here in the diamonds. The Qs are about 0.4% below the open. They're really the weaker link here. The broad market's fairly flat with the only real weakness in the Nasdaq side. Onto the domestic sectors. Not really seeing too much here, as I think you would expect with expiration rate at hand. Usually they do what they need to do ahead of expiration. We do have a camo buy signal on the IBB and also in the XLU. XLU and the IBB are both trading decent volumes, so those should definitely be checked out on Monday. The commodities are really fairly weak here. We've got a differential sell signal and also a camouflage sell signal in gold, so definitely want to keep an eye on that. On Monday we got a volume bump in the UNG, so that's definitely worth watching as well. As far as the bonds go, not really seeing too much today. We've had a lot of opens and closes in about the same area here in the TLTs. The foreigns are fairly weak today. So definitely want to keep an eye on these for a bit of a rollover. I think probably technically we're in shape here for a bit of a roll down. So definitely keep an eye on these. There's a fair amount of weakness. We got a couple of CPSs which definitely need to be watched in the EWT and the EWZ. So keep those forefront and also keep these camouflage sell signals that we're seeing kind of on the margin. As far as the specials go, really not seeing too much. Option expiration is the one time when you really might not see too much, and that's certainly the case today. So not seeing any volume jumps, just one little camouflage sell signal in the FXP. Well, that's gonna be it for today and this week. And as always, hope to see you again soon. Hope to see you next week. This has been Rich Derrick for tradesight. Thanks for listening.